At a Walmart in Cedar Falls with the Golden Girls theme song behind me. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at that. I didn't even know that was out. Alright, getting this one for sure. Alright, so my second town on my stop today for work is Old Iowa. Not a big town, but they do got a Dollar General. Let's go see what they got. Dang. I was still kind of hoping they'd have some stuff I didn't need here. What do we got here? Is that Ash Martin? Got that one. So, no Hot Wheels here, but I did pick up a double shot here. Alright, I spoke too soon because there's a freaking Dollar Tree right up here. So, alright. Stop in. Let's hope the guy got something here, man. Because, like, it's going to be a long trip. It's going to be a really bad video if I can't do anything. Yeah. What we got here? Is that what's it? Oh, ain't that, yeah. Got the headlights up too, yeah. So I drove all the way out here to Ames, Iowa to do delivery today, and so I do a lot of traveling with my job, and it takes up a lot of time. So I always stop whenever I can at any Dollar Generals, Walmarts, or etc. on my travels. So this is basically a normal day. I went to several different towns. Picked up a little bit here and there, though. Just want to show you guys everything I got, though. I did pick up that Subaru Sandbar truck, though. I did like the mini truck I got from Matchbox a while back ago, the old Nissan. It's got a cool flatbed on it here. It's just so tiny. It's just, I don't know, man. It's just, I like it. So I talked myself into getting it. This one, I wasn't on the hunt for it. I'm trying to find treasure hunts lately, but this one right here, it doesn't look half bad. It's not one, I don't know. I like the front grille, but it's just, I don't know. It's just something I think I picked up more of impulse, but I'm happy I have it anyways. This one I'm really excited about. A friend of mine in the group told me about Matchbox has pop up and down headlights versions of the Toyota MR2, and I was able to find them with the lights up there. Way cool, man. Like I said, I'm sounding like a broken record at this point, but freaking love the MR2. It's one of my favorite, best looking cars out there. Probably not the highest performance car you'll ever see, but definitely very cool. I always loved it back then. And next up, though, I talk a lot of shit about Matchbox. I talk a lot of shit about fucking Mercedes-Benz and how I think they're ugly. And it's true, I think this one is ugly, but I love this series right here, the collector series with the old box in it. It's just way fucking cool. I wish I had that Pontiac. And I wish I had that fucking, 1955 GMC Scenic driver bus right here. That would be fucking cool. I have a thing for old tour buses, man. I think, shit, I can't sing, I can't dance, and I'm not that talented. You guys seen this fucking show. I can barely fucking get a sentence out without cussing, but I always thought that was cool. But I picked it up, though. I do like to kind of be a little bit completionist. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, in all honesty, but it was the only one they had, so I picked it up. But thank you guys so much for watching the show, and I apologize for not putting out anything. I have a ton of video. I got to kind of edit. This is just the one-day pickup thing I want to do. It's just, I need to get a new job. This job is kicking my butt. But I miss you guys, and don't forget I love y'all too. Bye.